Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by updating your Pixel and the Gemini app so features run smoothly. Once done, sign into the same Google account you use on the phone and grant mic, storage, and location permissions so Gemini can access audio and files. Next, open the Gemini app from your launcher or enable voice activation in settings. This gets you straight to creating prompts. Do this now so the assistant can access context, speed up responses, and use on-device capabilities for better privacy. Once Gemini is running, choose the model that fits your task, faster models for quick answers or detailed models when you need depth. Then give a clear prompt. Start with a short command and follow with context so Gemini understands your goal. You can attach images or files for visual tasks and make sure to adjust tone and output length in the settings panel. Doing this improves relevance and keeps replies concise. Plus, it teaches you how to steer Gemini toward preferred formats. To finish, review Gemini's reply, edit if needed, then copy or share the result into other apps. Make sure history and memory settings match your privacy preference and clear cache when responses seem stale. If something goes wrong, slow replies, crashes, or missing mic access, restart the app, toggle permissions in settings, and reboot the phone if needed. That single troubleshooting tip, toggle permissions then restart, fixes most issues and gets Gemini back to normal quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.